let me show you the kettle. It looks like a plastic toy because it's very light. And when you open it, the cover, you see, and there's a heating circle here, so there's no base. I think it's not very convenient because you need to pull out the plug after the water is boiled, and when you pour the water in your bottle. And there's also a crevice of the cover, so when you put the water in it, you can easily make the water leak out. You see? And there is also some plastic smell in it.
Okay, it's been about 4.5 minutes and we are coming up to a full rolling boil. My thoughts on this thing? Personally, I don't have any issues with it. I think it opens up just fine. It's small, it's cheap. It fits on my small countertops just fine, and that storage really nice because it's small. Alright, so we're at a full boil. It does splash a little bit out of there, but honestly, I'm not going to leave it boiling for long. I'm going to use it. So this fits my needs perfectly. If you're just looking for a small, cheap electric tea kettle, this is it. I mean, I'm happy with it.
I just ordered the wrong size, but it's a good product. But I ordered a 1 liter, and my old one is a 1.7 liter. I just have to send it back and get a bigger size. But it's good if y'all just need a little one.